बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है। You are watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart.
The Honest Farmer, a story of integrity. Once upon a time, an honest farmer was plowing his fields. Suddenly, his plow struck something hard. When he dug it up, he found a mysterious pot. As soon as he opened the pot, gold coins started pouring out. The farmer was astonished, but he didn't keep even a single coin. He thought, "This doesn't belong to me. I should return it to the king." He went straight to the king's palace and handed everything over with honesty. The king was deeply impressed by his integrity and rewarded him. From that day on, people began to respect the farmer and use his example. The farmer taught, "Ill-gotten wealth may bring temporary happiness, but honesty brings lasting peace." Moral: honesty always brings respect, peace, and reward.
If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.